Have you ever wondered how your gas furnace works? It's a hot topic, so let's take a look. This Goodman gas furnace is located in an attic. This one, a basement. But no matter where yours is located, it will probably work similar to this one. First, to heat any home, you need a heat source. And for a gas furnace, like this one, that source is natural gas or propane. If that sounded obvious, then you'll love what happens next. When heat is needed, valves release gas to be ignited by an igniter. The resulting flame heats the air inside the heat exchanger. A blower moves air over the heat exchanger and into your home's ductwork. And just like that, your house is as warm and cozy as the temperature you set on your thermostat. Some gas furnaces, such as multi-stage or modulating systems, offer additional energy-efficient performance. Speaking of heat exchangers, a condensing furnace can actually capture normally wasted exhaust heat energy using a secondary heat exchanger. And that's pretty much everything you need to know.
Thank goodness for Goodman.